Hello, good afternoon. What is your name?
My name is Bala.
Mr. Balarampun, how old are you?
45 years.
How many family members you have?
4.
What is your education?
8 pass.
Are you married?
Yes.
Are you physically fit?
Yes, fit.
Are you ready to work hard?
Yes, I have.
Okay. Do you have any work experience?
I have experience. Aramco, Saudi Arabia, general worker.
Okay. So now you are ready to work as a pipeline construction worker in Romania?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do loading and unloading?
Yes, I can.
Can you lift the weight up to 25-30 kg?
Yes.
Okay. Can you work in any weather, climate, any place there?
Yes.
Okay. Can you work in any industry, any area there?
Yes.
Okay. Also, are you comfortable working long hours duty, maybe 10 to 12 hours when required?
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to stay there for a long time?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any medical or health problem?
No problem.
Do you have any friends or relatives staying in Romania?
No.
Okay. Also, you need to complete your contract agreement with the company or sponsor for 2 years. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. Also, you need to follow the company rules and regulations, company policy properly. Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, can you show me your practical work?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.